With the world's eyes on LA for the 2028 Olympics, LAX is embarking on a $30 billion transformation to redefine itself as a state-of-the-art travel hub. With new ultra-modern terminal buildings to world-class facilities, there's a lot of work to do. But with project racing against time, the question is, can LAX really be transformed from chaos to world-class in time for the 2028 Olympics? Well, in our today's video, we'll explore: what are the biggest challenges LAX is tackling? How will the $30 billion investment reshape the airport experience, including terminal buildings? Can these changes truly be completed before the 2028 Olympics? And most importantly, we'll uncover some ultra-modern, ambitious amenities and features that you won't want to miss. So let's explore how this new LAX is going to look like in coming years. LAX is no doubt one of the busiest airports globally, serving over 75 million passengers annually. But over the recent years, this gateway has long been infamous for its gridlocked roadways, outdated facilities, and a passenger experience that leaves much to be desired. If you've ever been to LA, it's pretty easy for you to understand. What am I talking about? Imagine an airport so crowded that navigating from one terminal to another feels like a marathon. But why is this chaos the norm at LAX? As Los Angeles gears up for the 2028 Olympics, the stakes couldn't be higher. LAX was built for an era when cars dominated transportation. The airport, once a modest airfield, now boasts 9 terminals arranged in a U-shaped LAX horseshoe. However, this horseshoe has become notorious for congestion. At peak times, it can take over an hour just to get through the terminal path. But it's not just the airport. The entire city's infrastructure needs a complete overhaul to accommodate the influx of visitors. Public transportation to LAX is another pain point, as it leaves passengers grappling with confusing signage and chaotic taxi or rideshare pickup zones. But change is on the horizon with an ambitious $30 billion transformation plan that promises to revolutionize how travelers experience LAX. What if one of the busiest airports in the world could go from chaos to convenience? After all, LAX is betting billions to make it happen. To tackle its notorious congestion, LAX is rolling out a massive overhaul, starting with its infrastructure. New roads, advanced technology, and innovative designs are all part of the master plan. New roads and traffic solutions. Nearly 8 miles of new roads will untangle the mess, with dedicated lanes separating private vehicles, taxis, and buses. Automated People Mover (APM). This $3 billion electric train system will whisk passengers across the airport in just 10 minutes, a stark contrast to today's gridlock. Centralized rental car facility. Say goodbye to scattered rental car locations. This 6.4 million square foot facility will house over 18,000 vehicles and seamlessly connect to the APM. These changes promise to make LAX one of the easiest airports to navigate. No more chaotic rideshare pickups or endless traffic jams. It is following a vision to create an airport that not only serves as a hub for travel, but also sets a new global standard for efficiency, sustainability, and passenger comfort. Imagine an airport where every journey is smooth, intuitive, and even enjoyable. This is the future that LAX is building. Imagine an Olympics without traffic jams, no private cars, just seamless transit. Can Los Angeles really pull off this audacious plan? Los Angeles is planning for an Olympics where spectators rely on public transport, cycling, or walking. This vision may sound ambitious, but it mirrors the success of the 2024 Paris Olympics, where efficient public transit took center stage. If LAX can deliver on its promises, it won't just transform the airport. It could set the stage for a greener, more connected Los Angeles. What does it take to bring 1950s terminals into the future? The answer: innovation and billions of dollars. Each terminal at LAX is undergoing a massive upgrade. Terminal 1, a $980 million renovation, brings cutting-edge ticket counters, advanced check-in areas, and faster baggage systems. Tom Bradley International Terminal, the largest terminal, gets even bigger, with south and west expansions showcasing futuristic architecture and state-of-the-art facilities. Midfield Satellite Concourse, built using modular construction, this terminal will redefine efficiency and is set to open by 2025. LAX is investing heavily in creating spaces that feel more like luxury destinations than mere transportation hubs. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the terminals with natural light, while open, spacious layouts reduce the sense of overcrowding that has long been a hallmark of the airport. Advanced ventilation systems and energy-efficient designs are not just improving the passenger experience, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. But LAX's transformation isn't just about aesthetics. It's about redefining the way travelers interact with the airport. Technology is playing a pivotal role in this redefinition. From the moment passengers arrive, they are greeted by a series of innovations designed to make their journey as effortless as possible. Facial recognition systems streamline the check-in and boarding process, while smart baggage systems ensure that luggage is tracked and delivered with pinpoint accuracy. The security process, often the most stressful part of air travel, is also getting a much-needed upgrade. New automated screening technologies are being implemented to reduce wait times while maintaining the highest safety standards. Passengers can look forward to a smoother, more efficient process that lets them focus on the excitement of their journey rather than the frustration of delays. Beyond technology, LAX is committed to making the airport a reflection of Los Angeles itself. A city known for its culture, diversity, and creativity. Travelers will find a curated selection of local restaurants, art installations, and retail experiences that showcase the best of LA. From sampling world-class cuisine to browsing high-end boutiques, the airport is being transformed into a space where passengers can relax, recharge, and even be inspired. Imagine stepping off a long flight and being greeted. Sustainability is another cornerstone of this transformation. In a city that is increasingly focused on combating climate change, LAX is leading the way with eco-friendly initiatives. Solar panels are being installed on rooftops to generate clean energy, while water conservation systems are reducing the airport's environmental footprint. Electric vehicles are being integrated into the airport's operations, and green construction materials are being used wherever possible. These efforts are not just about. Of course, such an ambitious project comes with its challenges. Coordinating construction at one of the world's busiest airports requires meticulous planning and execution. Every decision must balance the need for modernization with the imperative to keep the airport operational. This means working around the clock, often behind the scenes, to ensure that the transformation is as seamless as possible for passengers. Yet, despite these challenges, the teams behind this project remain undeterred. But you know what? LAX isn't the only airport changing the game. So who else is leading the charge? From JFK to LaGuardia, airports across the US are entering a new era of aviation innovation. These mega projects show that American airports are finally catching up to international standards, focusing on sustainability and passenger experience. As the 2028 Olympics draw closer, the significance of this transformation becomes even clearer. So World will arrive in Los Angeles with high expectations, and LAX is determined to exceed them. This isn't just about creating an airport that works for the present. It's about building an infrastructure that will serve future generations. It's about setting a precedent for what airports around the world can aspire to achieve. Will LAX's $30 billion gamble pay off? Can it handle the pressure of the 2028 Olympics? Well, as we count down to the Olympics, LAX stands not just as a gateway to Los Angeles, but as a beacon of what's possible when ambition meets ingenuity. This is more than an airport. It's a glimpse into the future of travel, a future that's smarter, greener, and more connected than ever before. Welcome to the airport of tomorrow. With sustainability, efficiency, and cutting-edge amenities at the forefront, LAX aims to become a global benchmark for airports. The clock is ticking and the world will be watching.